When I stepped into this apartment, I immediately recognized its potential. Where others saw a poor layout, restrictive walls, and dated bulky furniture, I saw the foundation of a dream home. The kitchen and bathrooms were completely obsolete. The electrical wiring and plumbing hadn't been touched in 50 years. As soon as I got the keys, the transformation began. I demolished the unnecessary walls to open up the space. Cleared out the debris. Framed new walls to integrate an additional room. Installed premium parquet-style ceramic flooring. Completely overhauled the plumbing and electrical systems. Modernized the kitchen from the ground up. And curated the furniture for functional living. Fresh windows and doors were installed to complete the transformation. Take a look at the result. Within those same 70 square meters, I've created a space for everything. A dedicated guest room, which my cat Lily has already claimed as her own. An expensive living area, complete with a workspace, media zone, and even a piano. A sleek, open-concept kitchen that leads directly onto the balcony. Modern walk-in shower, and of course, a spacious master bedroom. What do you think of this renovation? Let me know in the comments.